Hi everyone, so today I'm opening up a jump starter by Crosstour. The model is JT240. It's a car jump starter for up to 7-liter gas or 5.5-liter diesel engine. It has dual USB outputs and built-in LED light. So here I am just showing everything that comes with it. This is the power button, the plug, the user manual, the storage bag, the 12-volt intelligent jumper cable, the clamps, the micro USB cable, this is where you plug in the USB cable, and this is where you plug in the jump starter cable. This is the position when you plug it in. And there is also a warning there that I will be showing later. The first time you get this, you have to make sure you fully charge it. So I just plug it into my iBlockCube power strip. And make sure you read this instruction before you use it. In order to turn the flashlight on, you have to long press the power button. Press it again and it will be flashing rapidly. Press it again, then it will slowly blink. And if you press it again, it will turn off. We don't have any cars that have weak batteries, so what we're going to do today to demonstrate how to use it is we're going to remove the positive from the battery. I'm opening up the hood. Here's the lock. Putting it up and making sure it doesn't fall on me. Yep, this is the lock. So I'm unscrewing this. I'm loosening up the positive from the battery. So we're totally disconnecting the power. First thing you want to do is clamp the black one, which is the negative, in here, as you can see. The next one is the positive, or the red one, right here. It's not connected. Turn it on. Since we completely disconnected the car's battery, the green light won't turn on. So that means you have to press the boost button. But if your battery is just weak, then the green light should turn on. And then you have to make sure you turn the engine on within 30 seconds. It works. Yep, the engine is running. Yeah. It's amazing how this can help you big time when you need it. And now we can close the hood. And that's it. Now I know how to jump start the car. Thankfully we have this jump starter. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye.